Lesson 6, Section 4, Solving Polynomial Equations in the Quadratic Form by Steve Rosler. When solving a polynomial equation in the quadratic form, you must figure out whether you need to use one of these two equations. You will use one no matter what, but it's a matter of figuring out which one to use. The equations are a cubed plus b cubed equals a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. Or you will use a cubed minus b cubed equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. Example number 43 is 81x cubed minus 192 equals 0. First step in solving this equation is seeing if you can pull out a greatest common factor. In this case, you can pull out 3 as the GCF, which simplifies the problem to 27x cubed minus 64 equals 0. Remembering about the a and b terms from the previous slide, 27x cubed is the a term and negative 64 is the b term. 27x cubed simplifies to 3x to the third power, and negative 64 simplifies to 4 to the third power. This shows that 3x to the third power and 4 to the third power are your true a and b terms. Because the problem has a negative symbol in it, you will use equation a cubed minus b cubed equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. Remembering that 3x cubed and 4 to the third power are your a and b terms, your new equation is 3x to the third minus 4 to the third equals 3x minus 4 times 3x squared plus 3x times 4 plus 4 squared. Your next step is to split this into two different problems. You will split it into 3x minus 4 and 9x squared plus 12x equals plus 16. Focusing just on 3x minus 4, you then need to change it so that, that the problem equals 0. So now you have 3x minus 4 equals 0. Then, as any other problem, you find what x equals, which is then 4 thirds, because when you divide 3x by 3 and 4 by 3, just get rid of the 3, you have x equals 4 thirds. Now we need to focus on the part of the equation that is 9x squared plus 12x plus 16. In this part of the problem, you will have to use the quadratic formula, which is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of a squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. So this becomes x equals negative 12 plus or minus the square root of 12 squared minus 4 times 9 times 16, all over 2 times 9. As you do this problem, it then becomes x equals negative 12 plus or minus 1 square root of 144 minus 432, all over 18. This simplifies to x equals negative 12 plus or minus 12i minus to the square root of 3, all over 12. You get the I because the problem under the square root sign is negative, so a negative number under the square root sign turns into an I outside the square root. You now have your answer of x equals negative 2 plus or minus 2i to the square root of 3 all over 3. You get this because you can reduce the 12, the 18, and the other 12 to negative 2, plus or minus 2i, and 3. You reduce them all by 6. This gives you your final answer of x equals 4 thirds and negative x plus or minus 2i to the square root of 3 over 3.